Hello students, this is the third video lecture of chapter 13 Reproduction in Plants, class 7th Science. In this video lecture, we are going to discuss the advantages and disadvantages of vegetative reproduction. In second video lecture, we looked into vegetative reproduction, what are the artificial methods which you can use for vegetative reproduction. In this lecture, we would be focusing on advantages and disadvantages of vegetative reproduction. Let us start with advantages. If you would be observing in textbook, there would be very lengthy points. The length of the sentence or the point, okay, each advantage which is given is very long. Okay, so you do not have to mug up all that. What you have to learn or what you have to understand is these things only. That's all. Okay, so when I talk about advantages, first is allows new plant to grow quickly. Okay, so that means the vegetative reproduction allows new plants to grow quickly. Now how come? Because without waiting for flowers and seed, we directly start to grow plant with the help of vegetative parts. Then second, exit copies of the parent plant. हाँ, जैसा parent है वैसा ही जो characteristics parent में है, that suppose if the particular plant is having is producing large tomatoes in number as well as in size, okay, large number of tomatoes and large size of tomatoes. So if you would be taking a vegetative part of that plant and growing another plant with the help of vegetative reproduction, again you will be getting the same, exactly same plant, okay, with large number of tomatoes and large size of tomatoes. Where in case if you see through seed formation, if we do not do vegetative reproduction and if we go with this seed formation, what you would be observing is that each plant is different and absolutely different from parent plant. That doesn't mean that you are growing seeds, so you would be getting potato plant. Means that if the parent plant is producing large number of tomatoes, then the offspring, or you can say the new plant from which from the parent plant which you are growing is also having the same characteristic when you are using vegetative reproduction. While in seed, this does not occur. Every plant is different from each other as well as from the parent plant. Getting? Next is usually needs less attention in early stages of growth. Now you can consider like this, with you first compare with seed. Okay, if you have observed growing a plant directly from a seed, okay, it would be very hard, not hard, but you have to take a lot of care. You have to provide it with water, nutrients. This is also the same case for vegetative part, but you do not have to take care so much in vegetative part as compared to seed. सीड में ज़्यादा ध्यान देना पड़ता है, वो ग्रो हो रहा है नहीं हो रहा है, न्यूट्रिएंट देना है, एनवायरनमेंट का ध्यान रखना है. The same way you have to go with vegetative also, but less, comparatively less than seed. So farmer is less concerned for vegetative part as compared to seed. Okay, during early stages of growth, एक बार growth आ जाती है, then it would be growing on its own. But before attaining that particular maturity, in the early stages of growth, it requires high care, which the plant growing from seed. But when I talk about plant growing through vegetative reproduction, it does not require so much care. Like in case you can compare with your parents. When you were so small, your parents used to do most of your work, like your mother specifically. Okay, what would your mother do when you were small? She made you bath, you know she made you, अगर यूनिफॉर्म, अगर स्कूल जा रहे हो तो यूनिफॉर्म निकाल के रखेगी, you wear that, okay, helps you in doing your work, okay, comb your hair. Like in my case, in girls, what happens, to make 2 plates I require help of my mother, because I was so small I cannot make 2 plates on my own. So what can I do? I would be asking mother to make, or else I do not need to ask, she would be taking care of me. If I'm even smaller, she would be understanding my yell of cry, है ना, कि अच्छा इसको भूख लगी होगी, अच्छा इसको नींद नहीं आ रही, अच्छा इसको ये, अच्छा उसको वो. That is what? That is the care of mother to a child. Okay. Similarly, farmers take the care of the growth of seed in a similar way as a mother is taking care of her young one. Are you getting? But taking care is essential in both the cases. Again I am repeating, in seed as well as in vegetative part, but more care is needed for seed. Now अगर if कुछ भी गलती हो गई, इधर उधर ध्यान नहीं दिया, then the plant won't be growing from seed. Okay. Next is new varieties of plants having required characteristics can developed by this method. As I discussed, हम क्या कर रहे थे, ग्राफ्टिंग मेथड. एज आई हैव डिस्कस्ड ग्राफ्टिंग मेथड, उसमें क्या किया, हमें न्यू वेराइटी मिली, है ना. व्हेन आई कंबाइंड वन फ्लावर, ओके, इफ यू एबल टू रिकॉल, कि एक फ्लावर ऐसा है जिसके पास बहुत सारे रोजेस आते हैं, बट द कलर ऑफ रोज इज डल रेड, and there is another plant wherein there are only 3 roses. That means the number of roses is less, but the color is bright red. What if you want a plant having large number of roses, but the color of roses should be bright red? So for that you would be performing grafting. And what is grafting? You can watch the second video lecture wherein I have explained how you can obtain a new plant, a new variety which does not exist in nature, but by artificial method you can develop a new variety wherein that variety would contain large number of roses as well as bright red roses. Okay, so how can you get the new variety? So by artificial methods of vegetative reproduction. So that is a advantage of this. Now when I talk about disadvantages, first is having undesirable characteristic of parent plant. As I say, the new plants grown by vegetative reproduction are exact copies of parent plant. जो parent plant में जो advantages है, that too also comes to the new plant. जो disadvantages है, suppose if a parent is suffering from disease, or suppose the मतलब वो पेरेंट प्लांट है, वो लार्ज साइज ऑफ टोमेटो तो दे रहा है, लेकिन लार्ज नंबर ऑफ टोमेटोज नहीं दे रहा, स्मॉल नंबर ऑफ टोमेटोज दे रहा है. तो सेम यू वुड बी ऑब्जर्विंग इन न्यू प्लांट्स. कहने का मतलब ये डिसएडवांटेज क्या है, कि अगर आप पेरेंट प्लांट का कोई एक एडवांटेज चाहते हो, सो उसके साथ साथ जो पेरेंट प्लांट में डिसएडवांटेज है वो भी उसमें आ जाएगा. ओके, फॉर एग्जांपल लेट अस टेक अनदर, आर वल्नरेबल टू सेम डिजीज. मतलब जो पेरेंट प्लांट को डिजीज है वही न्यू प्लांट को आएगी. इफ यू हैव ऑब्जर्व, देयर आर सम डिजीज व्हिच आर हेरिडिटी इन ह्यूमंस. इन केस ऑफ ह्यूमंस, what happens if your parents are suffering from diabetes, then there are high chances that the child would also suffer from diabetes. Depends on what kind of diabetes it is. If it is heredity, so if your parents are suffering from diabetes, there might be high chances that the young one may suffer from diabetes. Okay, so that is what, that is a disadvantage. Although you are having birth, you are looking nice, you are looking tall like your parents, your eyes are blue in color, okay, that is also, so you are getting advantage. But apart from this, there are some disadvantages. Okay, like that vulnerable. What means vulnerable? Vulnerable means chances of getting same disease increases. Are you getting? So if the parent plant is suffering from that disease, there are high chances to get the same disease, okay, to the new plant. The new plant can get the same disease as the parent plant. Apart from this, next is germs can get passed from parent to offspring. This is not the case. These three, okay, this is the same. The disease, अगर disease pass करते germs भी, they are also passing from parent plant to offspring or new plant. But these three cases are not you can observe in seeds. This is not observed in seeds. If you are growing plants from seed, ऑल्दो सपोज एक प्लांट है, इसका तुमने सीड लेके प्लांट को ग्रो किया, तो ऐसा जरूरी नहीं है कि ये जो इसके पास जो डिजीज है वो ही ये न्यू प्लांट के पास है। आर यू गेटिंग? कि मान लो मैंने एक प्लांट का सीड लिया और सीड को फिर मैंने ग्रो किया, ठीक है, सीड से मैंने न्यू प्लांट ग्रो किया, तो उसमें चांसेस बहुत कम है कि जो पेरेंट को डिजीज है वो न्यू प्लांट में आए। अदरवाइज इट इज नॉर्मल, ओके, इट इज नॉट हैविंग डिजीज सेम एज दैट ऑफ पेरेंट प्लांट। आर यू गेटिंग? Seed में the chances of getting same disease which the parent plant is having is less. But when I talk about vegetative reproduction, the chances of getting, this disease increases. So that was, all about advantages and disadvantages of vegetative reproduction. In the next class, we would be starting with sexual reproduction in plants.